Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2023 Toyota 86, stock number 6009. This ran from 06-2022 to the current shape. There's an FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, left front mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right front mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,